Hello and welcome to Simple Physics with your host, Curtis Bureau. Today, we'll be looking at a simple relation of an equality between a couple of variables. You might know a couple of these. So first we have S is less than M plus P multiplied by L. And now what these variables represent is stress is less than or equal to memers plus is it addition plus pleb multiplied by load. Now we can see some simple relations going on here between memers and plebs. They can be added and then it's all being multiplied by load. This might make a little bit more sense once you look at the units of each variable. The units of S is shit. The units of M and P naturally come out to be humans. And finally, our load is Earth. So from these you can see a couple of little nuances going on. If we look at one ton of S, and then equate that to, let's have 0 memers this time and just have 1 pleb. So we have 1 pleb, 0 memers, multiplied by our load. So this means that 1 ton of S equals L. Normally, the L constant is not large enough to sustain a ton of shit. There's just not enough Earth for that. This is 1 ton is greater than L, and we don't want that because, as you can see from this quick little thing, when S is less than or equal to M plus P of L, we have happy face, which is good because we want the stress to be less than what the plebs and the memers can handle with the amount of load they can hold. And when stress is greater than our M plus P of L relationship, we get a sad panda. We don't want that. This might make a little bit more sense if we use a pictorial representation of what's going on. So let me just do that now. If we have 1 pleb taking on a shit ton, that's one ton of shit, he is inevitably going to get squashed, because that is just his load capacity is just not high enough. It is much lower than the ton of shit that we have going on here. But the way to counteract this is if we add a couple of memers into the situation, into the equation, if you will, you can see that this is just an arbitrary shape. It can be anything you want, as long as you get the units right. That's the important part. If we have, oh, his arms are up. If we have one pleb plus an army full of memers, then their combined power with the same load constant for each human will be enough to hold up all that shit. That's a shit ton of shit. So, with all that being said, I hope you have learned a valuable lesson today that physics can be fun. So not only is Brendan coming here soon to hook me up with a horse mask and some gear for the shoots on Saturday, but Hannah's coming over to bring Finn. So thank you very much, Hannah, if you're watching this. I appreciate it. You're gonna see yourself here in a minute, so like, yeah.
Once we were coming close to where we were, once we got in the doors, we just didn't.
Furry toes!
Look how cute I am.
Everybody love me!
I love the leg.
The eyes are so cute.
No, not the meme.
Destroy it.
Drop the meme.
Finn, drop the meme.
Oh, he's gonna eat the meme.
I'm just gonna let him do it.
I wonder what that is.
It's not important, probably.
It's probably
We're
not.
becoming rather swallowing the evidence of the memes.
I heard if you swallow a meme, you get its strength.
Become the meme.
Smile.
He was in here doing work.
Can you come look at minerals with me?
Like mountain climbers at the gym.
That's hilarious. Thanks for coming to say hi, but I should really say thank you to your owner.